Welcome back to Ashok Educational Groups. In this video, we will learn 10th Standard Social Science, Freedom Movement of India. It's a very interesting topic, but also important topic for a 10th examination and for all the competitive examinations. Now we shall see question with answers. First, which incident led to the development of political awakening in India? The First War of Indian Independence of 1857 led the development of political awakening in India. Which organization changed the direction of Indian political history? Indian National Congress. When and where did the Indian National Congress founded? In 1885 at Bombay, the first president is W.C. Banerjee. Who was the founder of National Congress? A.O. Hume. A.O. Hume was a British retired civil servant. So he created a stage for the political movement. Who was the first president of Indian National Congress? W.C. Banerjee. What was the consequences of a difference of opinion aroused in the Indian National Congress? Congress was split into moderates and radicals. Whose period of Indian National Congress is called as the age of liberal nationalism. The moderate spirit is called age of liberal nationalism. They always try to please the Britishers. When was the Muslim League founded? In 1906. After this, the history of India is transmitted to other phase. Who implemented the Vernacular Press Act? Lord Lytton. What do you mean by the age of moderates? The first 20 years of the Indian National Congress is called as the age of moderates. Who advocated the drain theory? Dadabhai Nauroji. He explained how the wealth of our country is drained. That means which is going to England. Who called moderates as political beggars? The radicals. The radicals who do not like the moderates, and they said political beggars who always try to please the Britishers. That means just requesting. So they came out from these moderates. Who proposed the partition of Bengal? Lord Curzon. Lord Curzon tried to rule or tried to administrate the country by divide and rule. So that's why he introduced. Who were called radicals? The group congressmen who criticized the soft stance of moderates are called radicals. What was the main reason for partition of Bengal? In order to suppress the anti-British sentiments. So by 1905, the anti-British sentiments were aroused throughout the country. So to suppress this was introduced, partition of Bengal introduced. Who were called revolutionaries? The freedom fighter who believed in violent method of drive away the British using guns and bombs, killing them. Like they thought that these, but like fighting like this can throw the Britishers out of the country. Now answer the following questions in 2 or 4 sentences each. Which were the organizations that were present before the founding of Indian National Congress? The Hindu Mela, All Indian Association, Pune Public Sabha, the Indian Association. Name the important moderate leaders. 3 are there: W.C. Banerjee, M.G. Ranade, Surendranath Banerjee, Dadabhai Nauroji, and Gopala Krishna Gokhale. Gokhale has called the guru for Mahatma Gandhiji. Dadabhai Nauroji, who introduced train theory. Banerjee is the president of Congress. What were the demands of moderates placed in front of British, who tried to freeze development of Indian industries, cutting down the military expenditure, providing good education, programs for poverty alleviation? Explain the drain theory. Explained by Dadabhai Nauroji. Explain the drain of resources, so Indian resources, to England, into England. What were the reasons for the withdrawal of Bengal division? Partition was opposed by Indian National Congress, along with widespread protests across India. Radicals took the issue to the doorsteps of the common people. So these radicals or try to create the aware among the Britishers. Not among the Britishers, among the Indians against Britishers. So the people could understand that divide and rule policy was implemented on Indians. Boycotting of foreign goods. When the Indians were aware that, so they started to boycotting and non-cooperating for the Britishers. Name the revolutionary organizations of Indian independence movement. Abhinava Bharat, Anushila Samiti, Lotus and Dragger in England, Gada in USA. Name the revolutionaries of Indian independent movement. Aurobindo Ghosh, V.D. Savarkar, Rajguru, Ras Behari Ghosh, Khudiram Bose, and Ram Prasad Bismil, Bhagat Singh, Chandrasekhar Azad. Why did the British follow divide and rule policy? To break the unity of Indians, to suppress the nationalism, to suppress anti-British sentiments. Answer the following questions in 5 or 6 sentences. Explain the role of moderates in freedom struggle. The age of moderates in 1885 to 1905. W.C. Banerjee, S.N. Banerjee, G.K. Gokhale were the major moderate leaders. Moderates believed in prayers and requests to please British. Moderate organized public meetings. Moderates discussed the various issues. Demanded to protect Indian industries. Demanded good education. Demanded for poverty alleviation. Discuss the role of Balagangadhar Tilak in the Indian independence movement. Tilak was the radical leader, opposed British policies, opposed the partition of Bengal. Tilak called for boycotting foreign goods. Tilak encouraged Indians to use local goods. Tilak declared Swaraj is my birthright. Tilak published Kesari and Maratha newspapers. Tilak triggered national movement through Geeta Rahasya book. Explain the partition of Bengal and its effects. Partition of Bengal took place in 1905. It was planned by Lord Curzon. Bengal was the center of anti-British sentiments. To suppress anti-British sentiments, Bengal had more concentration of Muslim and Hindu people. Effects of partition of Bengal. Partition was opposed by Indian National Congress. Widespread protests across India. Boycotted foreign goods. Indians were encouraged to use local goods. Hindu Muslims jointly protested against British. Explain the role of revolutionaries in freedom struggle. Dreamed of attaining complete freedom. Employed violent methods to drive away the British. Established secret associations in India and in abroad. They provided training to youths. Revolutionaries used bombs and guns. Many of them were hanged by the British. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe this channel for more videos.